how to make a gallery on Squarespace. This is about to help you through it. That is still about to be satisfying for what we are looking for. It's still to be really one of the most important progress that is should about be really restored for what we are looking for and how we can start to deal with that. Still to be about something that it should be about to be really important for what is going to be about to be really satisfying for what we are looking for about it. That is still about to be released understood for the gallery block. And then about to choose the layout that it can be really here to click on that here on edit. Then as you can see, click here on add section and then about to click on save it. Then about save it here and click on images that can be really on it. Upload your images and choose your gallery style on settings that it can be really absolutely understood here. That is all to help you.